Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will explain to you step by step how you can model in the fastest way possible a 3D ladder sofa in Blender. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will cover the 3D modeling, adding material, and of course the final render. Without any other hesitation, let's get started. First of all, I will delete the light and the camera. I will add them later. After that, I will select the cube, I will press the N letter, and I'll write here the dimensions. I want that our object to be on a real scale. So I'll write here 0.55, then 0.8, and 0.1. And our drawing will look like this. After that, I will add some loop cuts. So tab key to enter in the edit mode. Okay, I will add this panel and I will write here instead of 1, I will write 20 loop cuts. I'll do the same on the other side, so also 20 loop cuts, and on the lateral, okay, I will write just 10, should be enough. Good. After that, I will go to the physics and I will add the cloth simulation. I scroll, I go to pressure, I add the number 2 when it comes to pressure. Field of weight. This is very important because I will add gravity 0. So now I will press play to the simulation. So it should look like this. Of course, this is not the shape that I want. So first of all, I will add a modifier. So I'll go in this section, I'll add subdivision surface. Yeah, level 2 should be enough. Okay, and this is actually a basic pillow shape. But let's go back around frame 2, 3, let's see. This is the frame number 4. Here it is a little bit bulky, so I'll go with frame number 4. I think it's worked best. After that, I want to be smoother, so of course I'll right click and I will go for shade smooth. And look at that. Let's apply this cloth modifier. So apply it, okay, and now I can use it as my principal object. Now let's work with it. So first of all, I will duplicate. So Shift D and then Y. To move it in the y-axis, okay, I'll duplicate it again, place it here, and again, and press z-axis. Good. Now I will enter again in the edit mode, I'll go to toggle ray X mode, and I will select exactly half of the vertices. So this is okay, G for grab and Y, and I'll go here, and in the other side I'll do the same. I'll go here in that direction, okay. Select all the vertices and extend them. Yeah, should look like this. I exit the edit mode, Shift D to duplicate it, escape to be in the same position, rotate Y 90 degrees. And now let's place it here. Okay, in the edit mode again, and now I will make it smaller. Let's say like this. Good, and should be fine. After that, I will take one pillow for here, I'll duplicate it again, rotate it around z-axis, z90, and again rotate it around x-axis, and after that let's try to put it here. Okay. Now let's just scale it on the x-axis. Okay, and that one I will enter again in the edit mode and I will make it on the same level almost. Yeah, kind of here. Good. After that, I will duplicate also those 3 pillows. So Shift D, okay, escape, rotate Y 90 degrees. I'll go here, I'll go in the toggle X-ray again, and I start to place them here. Good. When it comes to that one, I'll go to another modifier. You guessed it, it will be the mirror modifier. Mirror object. This one it will be. Basically it is a base, but I will choose Y, not X. And now we have a proper shape of a couch. To be even more vibrant, I will add now a leg. So Shift A, Mesh, and I will add a cube. Okay, I will scale it. I'll place it here, around here. I will enter in the edit mode. I will select all those 4 vertices and I will make it slightly longer. I will scale the base. Okay, and I think it is a good shape. Good. I will put it here. Now I will put it in the right side. I will mirror it, of course. So I'll add a mirror modifier. When it comes to that object, don't forget. And because I cannot mirror them in the backside, I will select them and I will duplicate them. Okay, and I will move them now on the x-axis. Let's say here is fine. Good. I will select now all the objects, so press A letter, Command A or Control A, and I will apply the scale. I will go now into Sculpt mode, and I will grab the clothing. Okay, the strength it will be good. I will increase slightly the radius. Let's go back in the layout. I will select, for example, this pillow. I will go back to sculpting and I want to add this fluffy texture. So, okay, I'll do the same also with the rest of those. Select that one, sculpting, and I will do basically the same thing. To finish the 3D modeling, I will go back and I want to add 2 extra pillows. So 2 little pillows actually. In order to do that, I will create a new cube. So I'll go to Mesh, Cube, I will scale it. Okay. I will scale it now on the x-axis. I will add now some loop cuts, so I'll go in the edit mode and I'll write here 10, on the other side also 10, and on this one, let's say 2 should be enough. Okay, I'll go also to the physics menu, cloth. When it comes to pressure for this time, I'll write here 10. And the gravity, it will be 0. So let's simulate. Okay, so this is actually a basic form of a pillow again. I will add again subdivision surface modifier, okay. And I think our pillow is pretty good. Okay, now I will shade smooth it. I will apply again the cloth modifier, and now I will try to arrange in my scene. Okay, I will rotate it. Okay, and after that I will apply again a mirror modifier. And our sofa should look like this. After that, I will select every single component and I will UV unwrap it. I will select the object, I will go in the edit mode, I will press number 3 to be in the surf mode selection. Okay, I will select every single surface here, right click, UV unwrap, and I will go for Smart UV project and I will press OK. Basically, I will do this thing with all these objects. So let's get started. After I did all the things, let's add now the materials. For this material, I want to add a black ladder. So in order to do that, I'll go to shading menu, okay. I will select every part, it doesn't matter. I'll go to materials and I will add actually a new material. I will write here, why not, black ladder. In order to create that black ladder, first of all, I will add the black color. After that, I will add a noise texture. After that, I will add a hue saturation value. Okay. And after that, I will add a bump node. And of course, now I should work on the scale, as you see. So actually, I will write something big around, let's say, 523. But I will make the strength less. Say 0.1. And it should look like this. I will select everything here. And then I will select this little pillow. I will create a new material. I will add, for this time, red leather. Okay. I will Control V, I delete that part, okay, and instead of black, I'll go for red. And when it comes to the legs, I will create a wood material. I'll go for new, I'll write here wood, okay. I will delete everything here. And I pasted a wood material. If you want to use this wood material, feel free to use. I already presented in the previous tutorial, so you can make a screenshot. The same wood material, I will apply it also in the other side as well. So I'll go for wood. And our object is done. To create the final render, I will add a new plan here. Okay, I will select everything except of that plan and I'll move up. Now I will extend that plan, I will scale it. Okay. I will go in the edit mode, I will press 2, I will select that edge and I will extrude it. Good, and that one, that edge, Control B to bevel it. Okay, I will add many segments. Okay, like this, and after that I will shade smooth. Okay, even though I can move it, let's say here is fine. Good, I will add now a camera. I will press N, I will go to view, and I will press camera to view. And I think it looks very good. You can also extend that one to a little bit on the Y-axis, so SY. Okay, after that, my suggestion is to split the screen into two parts. Right-click, vertical split, and let's say I'll put it here. Now I will go out. I will go in the object mode, okay, and I will start to add some lights. Here I want to go in the render mode. Shift A, light, I will go for the area. I will scale it. I will go to the data panel. Let's say 100 watts should work good. After that, I will duplicate it. Okay, and again, I'll duplicate it again. I'll do the same thing also with the other light. Let's try with less watts. Let's write 70. Can also go closer. And after that, let's go here. Let's select the cycle engine, GPU compute, 10 minutes, 600 seconds, should work well. And after that, let's render the image. After the final render is done, I'll go to the image, save as, and I will save the image. After you save the image, you can close that bar. Right click, join areas, and our scene is done. I hope this video helped you. Learn more about the program and don't hesitate to collaborate with me. Any service is just a click away. And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.